Chapter 12, Creating and Pricing Products that Satisfy Customers. And here are the learning objectives. So this chapter, we're going to talk about two components of the marketing mix, product and pricing. First, we'll look at the different aspects of products. Different classes of products are directed at different target markets according to their varying needs and wants. A product's classification largely determines what kind of distribution, promotion, and pricing are important. There's three categories of consumer products: convenience product, shopping product, and specialty product. Based on their characteristics and intended uses, business products can be classified into 7 categories: raw materials, major equipment, accessory equipment, component part, process material, supply, and business service. Products are like people. They are born, they live, and they die. A firm must be able to launch, modify, and delete products in response to its changes in product life cycle. This is what a product life cycle looks like. First, we have introduction, then growth, then maturity, and then eventually decline. During the introduction stage, all the ingredients of the marketing mix may need to be adjusted quickly to maintain sales growth. During the growth stage, management may decide to change or to lower prices. During maturity, new promotional efforts and aggressive personal selling may be necessary. And then during the decline stage, management must determine when to eliminate the product altogether. Generally, the products within a product line are related to each other in the way they are produced, marketed, or used. A product mix can be changed by deriving additional products from existing ones. Most organizations find it difficult to delete a product because of the costs associated with bringing the product to market, or for more emotional reasons. Sometimes managers can dig in their heels and just be super committed to a product even though it's not successful or it's losing its success. Successful new products can produce benefits for an organization, including survival, profits, a sustainable competitive advantage, and a favorable public image. There's 7 phases of new product development. There's idea generation, screening, concept testing, business analysis, product development, test marketing, and then last, commercialization. So why do products fail? Despite this rigorous process for developing product ideas, most new products end up as failures. Here is a comprehensive list of some product failures. Because the brand, package, and label are integral elements of the product, they deserve careful attention during product planning. Brands are often classified according to who owns them, manufacturers, or stores. Choosing particular brands can be a way of expressing oneself and identifying with certain lifestyle characteristics and values. The stronger the brand loyalty, the greater the likelihood that buyers will consistently choose the brand. Brand equity represents the value of a brand to an organization. And here's a list of the top 10 most valuable brands in the world. A number of issues should be considered when selecting a brand name. Once a firm decides to brand, it chooses one of two branding strategies, either individual branding or family branding. A brand extension should not be confused with a line extension. The package is a vital part of the product. Food manufacturers are not allowed to make misleading health claims about their products. Each product has a price at which consumers desire and expectations are balanced, with a firm need to make a profit. Before a product's price can be set, an organization must determine whether it will compete based on price alone or in a combination of factors. Before setting prices for firms, product management must determine pricing objectives that are in line with the company's objectives. Once a firm has developed its pricing objectives, it must select a pricing method to reach that goal. This is the cost-based method, or cost-based pricing is the simplest method of pricing. Markup pricing has two major flaws. First, it's difficult to identify the best markup percentage. And second, the markup is selected last, which ignores all the ways the final price can impact decisions. And here is what a break-even analysis looks like. So I don't want you to memorize this, or you won't have to create one of these for this class, but I do want you to see that there's a certain amount of units that need to be sold in order to break even, which just means, so once we hit 667 units sold, our costs will equal our revenues. So anything above 667 units, then you're making profit. So that's what's important to know about the break-even analysis. Demand-based pricing. The effectiveness of this method depends on the firm's ability to estimate demand accurately. Competition-based pricing can help to attach a pricing objective to increase sales or market share. And here's a visual comparing pricing strategies, and we'll talk about each of these individually. So new product pricing. Price skimming sets a high price at first, while penetration pricing sets a low price at first. An important issue in pricing decisions is whether to use a single price or different prices for the same product. Psychological pricing strategies encourage purchases based on emotional responses rather than rational ones. And then product line pricing means establishing and adjusting the prices of multiple products within a product line. Price is often coordinated with promotions, such as a buy one get one free, or something along those lines. Setting prices for business products is different from setting prices for consumer products because of factors such as size of purchases, transportation, considerations, and geographic issues. The next two slides describe discounts used by business markets. We've got trade, quantity, seasonal, and allowance. And that is it.